Hello, my name is James Kurui. I am the security manager at the Dusit Princess and Residence Nairobi. At Dusit, we welcome each and everyone, guests, and every one of you. Feel welcome. At Dusit Princess, our values and mission goes for care, can do, and commit. This in line with security. We would like to inform you that we are in tandem in terms of safety and security of our brand. Here at Dusit Princess, the Rihanna Group has provided us with a number of security solutions, one being the sliding door, the boom barriers and the spikes. We also have the luggage scanner, the handheld metal detector, and also the walk-through, and the cameras, the CCTV, which comes in and with all the rest. The well-being of our staff and guests come in first. These security solutions have come in as a way of reassuring our guests and staff. They see them while they're coming in, they feel them, and generally we feel that these solutions have really helped us as an institution. All our systems are integrated, and as such, before it was being handed over to the facility, Rihanna Group did wonderful training for the security staff and engineering as well, so that as we work with them, it's easy to work with, and we're able to work with them well. In terms of safety, I'd like to reassure all our customers, staff, and any other person that the security of Dusit Princess Nairobi is second to none.